Hey y'all, it's Cass. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, I talk all about DIY budget-friendly content creation to enhance your brand, business, or just create your content creation in general, you guys. And today we're doing a DIY Christmas shirt. I know what you're thinking. If we're doing a holly jolly Christmas merry shoot, why do I look like I'm in a Halloween movie? If you've been with me, if you've been chilling with me, you know how this works. Step 1, locations. So I knew I wanted to do 2 locations for this shoot, you guys. We have 2 main trees in the house. We kind of have a family tree with like all of our family homemade, gorgeous, beautiful ornaments. And then we have a tree that's like in our foyer because the foyer is really tall, so we need like a really tall tree to fill that space. So we're going to be doing 2 shoots. The one in the foyer isn't decorated yet, so I'm going to act like I'm decorating that tree. And then the family room one is decorated, so that's going to be kind of like my cozy nightgowny look thingy going on. Once I have my plan laid out, we go into hair and makeup. All right, you guys, we are getting ready for a Christmas shoot. I'm super excited because I love Christmas. It's just, you know, such a festive, beautiful time to be alive. So that's what we're doing today. I already got my outfits back here. I'm gonna do 2 looks because we have 2 different trees. If you guys have been rocking with me for a while, then you probably know by now I don't really know much about makeup, and I just do the same look every single time, which is why I don't really show y'all too much of the makeup. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But I wanted to do this cool transition to get into it, so we gonna do it. I'm gonna look slightly decent. After this, we gonna see, we gonna say what up, y'all. So face beat is complete. So before I take my hair down, I want to go ahead and set up everything downstairs. So for the makeup look, I decided to go with my usual. The only thing I changed up is my lip because I don't know. I'll do the makeup one day. One day I learn hairdo. All set up. We got the props, some ornaments, some lats. I'm just using a single light. I want to make like that spotlight fill. And then my Canon 70D. I'm going to shoot on 18mm with the Sigma 18 to 200mm lens. Let's get it. Shoot number 1, you guys, I had a few props. You have to think of location, props set design. So of course we had the tree. I took the box of ornaments to act like I'm decorating. I had some other gold props as well as lights to just kind of play around with, and yeah, that was the theme, act like I'm decorating the tree. So we're moving on to shoot number 2. That's gonna be next to the more like family decorated tree. So I'm actually gonna wear this dress and like this kind of, for what it's called. Basically, they're not pajamas, but they, when you combine them, it kind of looks like a nightgown and a matching robe.
Friends and family, we need family, we need Christmas. It brings us home for the holidays. It brings us home for the holidays. It brings us. I ain't worried about the things I gotta do. All I want you to know is how I love you. Spending time with family and the friends, yeah. Keeping love together till the end, yeah. 'Cause I ain't worried about the days of the year. All I wanna do is stay right here, yeah. Playing and laughing together. We got no worries, no never. Not entertaining none of the games. We keep it moving 'cause we have changed. Jesus is dying, living again. We celebrate.
Alright, we just finished the shoot. Came out pretty cute. I'm excited to for look number 2, I was in the family room. So that one was supposed to be more so like cozy, but that we had a white blanket as a prop. I pulled out one of the chairs, as well as I used those lights again, kind of laid them out, and I got a cup to act like I was drinking hot cocoa. And yeah, that was pretty much props, set design, wardrobe, looks, and then the theme. And as far as posing goes, you guys, I just kind of follow the theme. So that is how you do a DIY Christmas shoot in time for the holidays. So if you guys try this out and do your own DIY Christmas shoot, make sure to hashtag #WorkThatFam if you post on Instagram so I can check it out. But I hope you guys try out to do a Christmas shoot while you at home looking cute. Let's get it. I'm out. Peace out. Goodbye. Subscribe. Thumbs up to support.